it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you don't take.
I better find your loving.
Guys, I am shopping for my trip, so I can officially say that this is the start of my trip. So I'm shopping now to go home and pack. I have my hair to wash. I like this D&K bag, but it's $40. It's $40. I saw the black one for it. I'm pondering on it. I'm pondering on it. I just need like one bag, one nice bag to paddle around with. I got these Michael Kors shoes. I have some jeans. I have an Air Force. I'm not going to put it in there because I'm not on space. We're not traveling with a lot of space, so that's our next thing too. My little carrying my little bag, so yeah. Oh, I want to see if I can find like a little miniature nice cologne to travel with. The Reebok something nice, but it's spoiled up. $12 for a spoil up. That would be nice. This would be nice. But this spoil up like it burn, like you know when you press like somebody buy it and bunny and can't back. Yeah. Okay guys, so I'm currently packing my suitcase. I am almost finished with packing. I'm almost finished. I just have to put my shoes in. Just have to put my shoes in and like a few bags and some like my makeup and stuff for it, and that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it. I like this blouse, but I don't know what I want to wear with. I'm gonna bring it. I can probably just wear it with a pants or something. But so yeah, that's what's up. Don't mind my bedspread bottom dirty. Whoa, I say I bought another one. All right, so yeah, so let's go finish the packing here.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
So I just bought a pack of socks because my socks them literally the machine bad color the socks them, like it doesn't wash the socks clean, so I'm just like just grab a new pack. So that's what I did. I grabbed a new pack. I'm not gonna bring all of these socks. I'm just gonna bring just a few, probably like 4 pairs. So yeah, suitcase is basically all done, so yeah, that's good. Alright guys, so I just combed up my hair and I'm about to go wash my hair. I actually want to install a wig. I'm not sure how that will go because I'm not feeling well. I'm just not feeling well. I'm tired, I'm exhausted and everything. I'm congested, like every minute I'm congested. I don't know. I need to figure this thing out with my body, like what's going on. But the plan is to work the hair wash and to install a wig, but I'm not sure my body not all up to that because I'm pretty tired and I'm not feeling well. So yeah, so let's see. I got my wash finger. I don't want to see. Hi guys, so sorry, I got distracted there. So today is the day that I am going on my trip. It's officially spring break from school, so I'm leaving tonight. I should be leaving home around 5:30. 5:30 to 6:30. Yeah. So 5:30, 6:30. Oh, me, I think about the time. My time on my flight, me, I think about it. So, where I am going, you guys will stay tuned for that. But keep on to stay tuned for that. But I'm wondering if I'm gonna title the video. If I'm gonna title the video with the location. You know them weird there? Where you say stay tuned for it and you title the video with the location. But I'm going to Atlanta. I mean, I can't say it because it don't really matter. I'm not really sure if I titled the video. I am going to Atlanta. I will be going to Atlanta for my spring break. If you are a day one subscriber, you would know that this YouTube channel started. One person, like one accent, and somebody flying to the car. Why me the all the way over here so fast? Yeah. If you guys are a day one subscriber, then you would know that the first ever YouTube video on this channel started with me being in Atlanta, Georgia. So we're going back there. We're gonna see Auntie Pets and all of the works. I mean, in a them time that I spent, a lot of people didn't know about Miss Cherry, and you know, they met the family, and that was my first YouTube video with her vibe. So we're going back to Atlanta. I'm so happy to be going there. I'm going by myself because my school is on spring break, but a day in school is not because we're in two different counties. So every county over here, the thing's different. So though we're in North Carolina have different counties, and every county do their thing different. Every county start school different. Every county give breaks different. Every county have them different law, different rule, and every county have them ending time of school at a different time. So as I said, me and babe have two different spring break, because initially we wanted to go to Florida together, but we're not going to make it to go to Florida together right now. Hopefully in the summer. So yeah, so I'm going to Atlanta at my hair done, and I basically packed already. I'm gonna say, like you guys would have seen a small clipping of me in the pack. I basically packed, but not everything is all packed. I packed my clothes, but I didn't pack my, like, what shoes I wanted to bring, little makeup stuff, and so forth. I'm here trying to wonder if I'm able to bring my makeup through in a carry-on. I think I have before, you know, but I can't really recall. I can't recall where I've brought my makeup bag in my, like, with me. but I can't remember because I don't want to bring my entire bottle of Fenty and them take it from me and throw it away. In terms of cologne, I don't know which cologne I'm going to use. I want to see if I get I saw this little small one in Ross yesterday, like a travel size one. At first I said I'm gonna buy it, but I can't just grab it because I want to go to TJ Maxx to see if they have any little nice accessories I can bring with me, because I don't really have any accessories or anything like that since I got here. So I know TJ Maxx always have some nice accessories, so I want to get the accessories. I want to go to dollar store to get travel size stuff, dollar store, and so I want to go to TJ Maxx, dollar store, and Ross to get a little personal size spray. So that's the plan. So yeah, so stay tuned. I'll keep you guys posted and we'll know what is what. All right, yeah.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you say to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away. Palm trees, beach views, living every day. All I wanna do is end up bitches on replay. Still right next to you. You do. I'm trying not to show. Know I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. I'm still right next to you. You. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around.
Bag, so fancy. And I like it. It's $22. It's really fancy. I'm not gonna grab that. Alright guys, I'm in TJ Maxx. As I told you, they have a lot of nice jewelry, and I did got 2 pieces. This section right here is so nice. Like, they have a lot. So I know if you know I want to come and get a nice jewelry, TJ Maxx would be the kind of best place to come to. I think I got this heart one right here, the one right here. I got that one. That's what I got, and I got a nice bracelet. TJ Maxx always have the nice stuff them. Yeah, I think I like this, you know. Right there. This silver, the focus this. No, focus this is really nice. This right here, nice. I'm in Dollar Tree getting some travel size just a spray. Do I have anything that requires spray? I'm not sure. I don't want to carry my entire thing, so I might just grab what's this? 3. Grab the one and come with spray. I don't think I need one with another spray. I need like, yeah. I'll grab those 3. Alright, more one of these. And that should be it. Alright guys, so in this bag I have liquor at everything. I'm gonna just throw little bit of everything. Only thing I'm chancing the entire bottle with is this, and it's I can carry 3.4 ounces, 100 ml, but I'll be a little bit of salt. But throw out different little face cream, little setting powder, be a little bit of everything. My Fenty foundation in the back of there. As I said, be a little drop. So hoping that I will make it through, because I'm only carry on a bag. So yeah, the time is so dull and dark. That is what the winter is like, dull and dark. Okay, we're at Popeyes trying to grab something quick to munch on while we head out. So I will be driving to the airport and Babe will be driving back. I'm gonna put him up under pressure to drive go both ways. So it's about an hour 20 minutes 26 minutes. Yeah, so this should be like around the journey from Manig to Mobay. So that's what's up. So I packed my bag and everything, but just I hope that the little portions of stuff I'm gonna put in the bag will not cause a problem. Will not cause a problem. So just a hope that it will not cause a problem, because they are very small portions. Some just carry like a makeup. Look at this. No, I can't nothing, just because I only paid for a carry-on. So, and I'm taking Frontier back. You have to pay for carry-on with Frontier. No, I lie. With Delta, it's a free carry-on. And with Frontier, yes. So with Delta, it's a free carry-on. And with Frontier, it is, you have to pay for the carry-on. So, yes. I initially saw a cheap flight with Southwest. I thought what's the name? Southwest the name? Don't you remember Southwest? Yeah. And Babe, get you ready. That was quick. Where you get two big suitcases and two big suitcases and one carry-on free. That was quick, right? Alright, yeah, so I'll take on the journey now. So I'll talk to you when I'm at the airport. Guys, I am about to go on the plane now. We're boarding now. So just update you know, so I don't know what is what. I feel chaotic with this hairstyle. I don't know, I just not right now I just not feel it. I just feel all over the place. I just feel pretty chaotic. That's how I'm feeling like. If I trim on the jacket and everything, I just feel I mean if I carry a press code, I can feel like my press down right here, so but hopefully my auntie have a press code I can use. But as I said, I feel chaotic. So chaotic with the ear. But you know, it's okay still. I'm just making to know what is what. So yeah. Guys, this airport is so confusing. My last about 2 times already. That's trouble. Alright guys, so I made it to my aunt. This is my little bedroom for this day. I'm gonna take a shower and chat with you guys tomorrow. But she showed me this screen that she has. It's an LG screen. She says a screen where everybody have a dead over. I think you can rotate it. Oh, it work. Oh, like that. You can mirror your phone to it. And whichever way, we're gonna say it work. She insists that me use it, so she said I cannot be a content creator. I don't have one of these the LG screens, so I'm gonna watch some vlog on this to put me to sleep. Hold on. Alright guys, so this is my first day out on the road. Listen, I am sick. My aunt, listen, remember me tell something, I was congested and I get back like a bit better. My auntie I run AC last night, make it come up back. You know the winter, yeah? So she did hot last night, so yeah. So we're going to Sam's today. Hi guys, so we made it to Sam's. Oh, we made it to Sam's. So I mean, going to Sam's is gonna be a good thing because, well, we can see what Sam's is like. We can see what Sam's is like. If Sam's is gonna be something that we can do down our side, we're gonna see what the prices are and how them sell. So yeah, I wait for my auntie to go inside. Alright guys, so far in Sam, this is what we got. There's some of the prices kind of more expensive, I guess because it's in bulk, but while some of the prices kind of a little bit cheaper, so it varies. Would I like shopping here? It's not necessary like that. No, I know something where necessary. Alright guys, so I know I haven't been vlogging a lot, but today is Sunday. I've been here for like from Friday, Saturday, and today is Sunday. So I decided that I want to go to church with my other aunt. So I'm gonna run to church today. I'm gonna wear this top, this bottom that I've been sitting in my closet since about sometime last year when I just came here early on, when I bought that bottom. I got these nice jewelry from TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx sells some nice jewelry. I didn't know how nice and how, like, you know, quality like their stuff seemed to be. I don't know how long they will last for, but they are really nice. I like the thickness of it. I like, you know. So I'll be wearing this, I'll be wearing this pants, and I'm gonna wear my Michael Kors shoe with the pink and the white and the cream, something like that. I'll soon show you guys. And then over here, so I just like an underpiece, you know, time cool, chilly spring weather here, so I have to kind of still can't really wear this without any bottom piece. I need to bring out black tights, so I'm hoping that the green tights won't look anyway underneath this piece. So yeah, so I literally just woke up about a few minutes, probably almost not an hour since we get up, but I woke up or it's been an hour because I woke up and I lay down in bed and I just relax. So now I'm gonna get ready for church. I'm gonna get something to eat, get ready, because my aunt should be here around 10:30. So yeah, we'll chat. I made the bed already and all of that. So if you never know, I'm in Atlanta. I don't know, I feel like I'm not vlogging enough. My auntie said, oh, I'm not vlog, but I don't know, I'm just sick of me sleep for like 2 sections of the day. I came in when we went on the road. When I came back, drop asleep. When we do something, we go back and drop asleep because should the flu come up and come back for me and just feel weak. And so yeah, so I'm keeping it posted. Alright guys, so I came home from church. I never shown when I put on my clothes. I never shown nothing at all. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. But I'm currently helping my aunt prepare for a dinner, a family dinner. So I'm currently making the fruit plate. So I'm going to show them what I have so far. And then I'm going to show them what it look like. And then can show you what I prepare and stuff for it. Like this vlog, I'm gonna do better so I can bring you guys back to 2018 when we had the big family feast and whatever, and I still get a little vibe. Not true, we need to do better. So I'm gonna show you what I have so far, and then I'm gonna show you guys what the fruit plate looks like in the end. You know, my first time making a fruit plate, so I'm gonna try my thing and I do what I can do. So yeah, so far I have the black grapes, the strawberries, and I just washed the green grapes. I have pineapple to cut. I'm gonna do some blueberries, dragon fruit, and that's gonna be it. So I'm gonna finish this and then show you what's what. My aunt is outside doing the fry fish. So yeah. Alright guys, this is what the fruit plate turned out to be. For my first time, it's not too bad. I've never had dragon fruit before. So we have the black grapes, the green grapes, the pineapple, dragon fruit, strawberry, and this is just the pine stem for decor purposes, and the blueberry all over it. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is the fish that is set out for dinner. And This is what? Jerk chicken, right, Auntie Pet?
Yeah.
Jerk chicken. Does it have barbecue sauce on it or no?
Jerk sauce with barbecue.
Okay. The rice is in this. It's going to be plated and, you know, put in one of these, right? The rice is going to go in one of these, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna go into that one instead.
This one?
Yeah.
Alright. What's here? This is, oh, the mac and cheese. Are you going to, you're not going to take the mac and cheese out of this?
No.
Alright, and this is the curry goat. Alright. It look nice though, the way you set up it. Yes. Curry rich and, you know, at least you know, say, what you got is good. You taste it? So Auntie Pet is going to make garlic corn. So, I mean, the first process is to boil it. So she's going to get it boiled. And then, I mean, when it's finished, I'll show you guys. But she's actually cleaning up for us to go get ready for the dinner. Because it's supposed to start at 4. And it's after 3 right now. So, yeah. But this is my auntie nice clean house, you know, with our nice living area, dining area, and, you know, one thing, she full of light. She have light all angles. Every corner she have light. Alright, so this is the formal area. She has a nice formal area with like a mixture of the royal blue, black, white, gold, you know, all those nice color. This piece right here is really nice. She did it herself, you know. This is nice. And then you have the nice chandelier. Yeah. And then she has a lot of, we call it recess lights. So it give you a different vibe. I think it's if you want like a warm vibe, you know. And then she have the royal blue chair here with the different tones. Nice high curtains, you know. Those are what's rocking now. Your high curtains. And then she have the accent wall over here, like with pictures. I don't know, Miss Cherry. Day one subscriber, no Miss Cherry, you know. So yeah, and you know, it's just nice over this corner. But yeah, and then a nice little mirror here. But this is the dining area. But the dining area was straight up, so we should have another time. And then, you know, so this is just a synopsis of what she got going on. But we're actually going to get ready now for the dinner and see what is what. Alright guys, so the dinner, we have family member who has arrived already. I am dressed. I want to show you guys what I have on, but I will show you guys I'm probably gonna go in my aunt's room with a mirror that is can show all of me. But this piece is from Marshall, and I have on these nice accessories from, so cute, from TJ Maxx. Now I might bug on TJ Maxx when it comes on to shopping for clothing and so forth, but when it comes on to jewelry, that's where you want to go. TJ Maxx, go get your nice jewelry. TJ Maxx come with a lot of nice jewelry. Trust me, they have all the things that you like. So yeah, I feel good today because I was telling my aunt that I haven't done my makeup in so long, and I can tell that this makeup is a fling on makeup too, because I rushed to did my makeup to go to church. I know I didn't talk to you guys when I went to church, and I know I didn't talk to you guys when I had my outfit on. I was looking really cute today too. I didn't snap, I didn't do anything because it was raining and all of that. So you know, kind of know. Yeah, but it was, I really enjoyed the service and all that. So far Atlanta is okay. I'm enjoying my little time. I'm resting a lot, and rest is what I really need, because trust me, when school start back, your girl are gonna be very tired. She's gonna be very, very tired. So today's dinner, then I heard my auntie has big plans for tomorrow. I'm not sure if that's gonna work out based on how she wants it to go, so we're hoping for the best, so we get through to do what we have to do for tomorrow. I'm not sure what's gonna happen for the entire time that I'm here, but I'm trying my best to kind of vlog more and show them more. So starting to know, I might not feature people in the vlog, just myself and what's going on around me. You know, because different kind of crowd, not everybody like to be in the video. So yeah, but come and show you what I got on. Alright guys, so this is what I have on. My socks because I'm inside. Not gonna go outside. Don't mind my auntie Christmas tree. She's been rocking this tree for a while. But she's like, listen, the Christmas tree just sit in place and she wonder if she need to take it down. But this piece is from TJ Maxx. So yeah. Alright guys. The food, the cake, the fruits. We have the corn, we have this is vegetable. This follows another veggie. We have the curry goat, which many short on the pot already. The chicken, the macaroni and cheese, the escovitch fish, and rice and peas. So yeah. Are you still hiding, ma'am? Chef doing up the mommy, yes, all right. Hey guys, so I just got this exciting news that we are going to the basketball game here in Atlanta. We wanted to go see Golden State. Unfortunately, we didn't get those tickets. So I think we're gonna go and see Ox and who she say again? Let me look and tell you guys. Ox and 76 Hertz or 76 Hertz. I don't know how you call that. But I'm so excited. So I'm going to get ready. I think I might do a get ready with me for a reel or probably a YouTube shorts. I feel like this. I'm actually looking at myself on the LG channel screen. Need to get one of those. I need to invest and get one of these. It's so comfortable to have. Like, yeah. So I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna iron my stuff, and I was gonna wear probably like but I'm not sure. I think that the shirt that I have would look better. So I'm gonna show them what I have. Oh, I have this top that I think I wore like once from Shein. I wore it to church like for a few minutes. Yeah, but we're going to restyle it and, you know, different vibe. And then I have these, I think they're Lee's jeans that I got in, I bought these Ross. I don't remember. I'm trying to remember. And I have my Nike Air Force that I'm gonna wear. So that's the vibe. And this is just my under tights because the weather, we have to layer up. Doesn't matter where we go in at this time, the place is cold. So even though I'm not in NC, I am in ATL, but the weather kind of very, you know, tricky. So yeah, so I am gonna iron this, and then she said we're gonna leave by 6:30. The game is at 7:30. So after 5 now, Tash not do well with time, and I really want to get my face busted. So busted. Like, why would you say busted? I want to get my face beat. So yo, some terms I'm using now, like why you don't want to get your face busted and beat. Guys, I'm just gonna get my makeup done. But you hear me, vibe? This is how bad the congestion is. This is how bad I am out here sick. Everyone I got me sick. But I'm sick. But yeah, so we'll get ready. Alright, let's do this. We're gonna iron. Alright. So guys, I did my makeup and I'm just gonna have on like a face. Then I'm gonna get dressed. Yeah. I'm currently waiting on my aunt. So that's the update for now, but I just made sure I did all of this. Oh, I did my hair too, and I pin up the curls so they don't just fall out. So yeah, I don't know, my voice it's a no-brainer right now.
Like, my voice, oh my God, I've never been sick and have my voice worse. I don't think so. Alright, people. So I'm gonna mash up the curry goat, yeah. So yeah, food from yesterday leftover. Curry goat, what is jerk, chicken with barbecue sauce and rice and peas. Little leftovers, nothing too special. You know, the food nice, but the specialness gone from yesterday. You know, so I'm not really show them much. So I'm gonna talk to them, go watch on vlog. I'm gonna make this happen quick. I'm gonna finish eat quick because I already late already. I'm gonna want to feel it come rush me. So yeah.
That never gotta sweet that. You could bet that never gotta sweet that.
Cash, I'll be the rubber man, you'll be the match, I will be a fuse. Boom, painter baby, you can be the muse. I'm the reporter baby, you can be the news. You're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker.
Alright guys, so we are downtown Atlanta for the game. We're late. We're late. It's in the blood because the auntie late and never made it late. So it's definitely in the blood. But as I did tell Nard, we're here for the basketball game. The game starts 7:30 after 8 now. So we would have missed the entry of the teams and everything, but you know, we're still out here. So I'm gonna talk to him. Oh my God, we're kind of cool, but not too bad. Good as it. I mean, good as that, you know, watching. Alright guys, so we're going to find our seats. We have to go up these escalators. Our seats are pretty high up. So yeah. So a better view. Yeah. Still like to see the nice ones. We're in the State Farm Arena. It's down there, but we're going high up. So I'm not sure how pretty the view is gonna be. My voice is really bad, but you know, yeah.
No.
We have a seat number.
Fellas, Chief Marcus is second. First in the last 2 minutes. Second in the good.
Tash. Tash, how was your experience at the games?
At least I got to see when Auntie Beck?
Who?
The artist that performed.
Rotimi?
Rotimi. And what, Chris Tucker?
Yeah.
Yes, it was good. I'm happy I came. Despite my voice, can't hear. But I'm happy, so thank you, Auntie Pet.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we're coming from State Farm Arena. Yeah.
We're downtown Atlanta.
We're downtown.
ATL.
So you don't see nobody because we came through the VIP entrance, the back entrance. So
Yeah.
we're going, we're leaving now.
Yep. But that's a plus, right? We don't have to be in the crowd.
Yeah.
That's a plus. Like a VIP experience. Alright. Alright guys, so this is what, Centennial Park? Centennial Park. That thing is pretty. Quite beautiful in the night. Right? It says, yep. So it's a vibe for downtown.
Over there.
Oh, over here? What did they do over there?
Right here.
What did they do over there?
It's a park. They're going to spend a concert.
Oh, okay. I think that we should be up there. Oh, we came in. Oh, okay. Alright guys, it's not too cold, thank God. Because we never dress warm enough for your weather being too cold. So,
Right there.
yeah.
That's why you got to know people.
Huh?
That's the old cars right here. We don't have to
Oh, yeah.
go in the crowd.
Oh, but the thing was, he was supposed to move the van to us, right? For the valet parking. But yeah, and our bougie van too, you know, sell a bouginess. Bougie that is, oh, it worked though. It open? So the thunder, is it what? Thunder. Open the door and the steps just pop out. Of course. And then we're not going to know about traffic, right? Okay. Guys, so I am dressed to go to my aunt's house, my other aunt, but after that I'm gonna go to bowling. So I'm just kind of get ready for all of that in a one. My voice is it's so funny. Look here. It is so funny, like I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I'm just wearing a simple Puma top, some blue leggings, and I have on the polo bag, and it matches my Puma sneakers. So that's what I'm gonna throw on to head out right now. No makeup type of vibe. When I feel like putting on makeup, I can't bother. So yeah, I'm just keep on posted. Tomorrow will be my last full day here over in ATL. So yeah, but we should be going bowling today, and hopefully my aunt will be able to take me to the sugar factory tomorrow. So yeah, that might be a vibe. So that's what's up. So we'll chat. Probably we'll go bowling later or something. So yeah, bye. Guys, I am downtown again. We're going to the sugar factory, but my auntie can't find a parking, so I'm actually walking back down there to let them know that we are here because we have an 8 o'clock appointment. But we can't find any parking, so we need to find out if they do valet parking or whatnot. So that's what I'm walking back down there for, because you know, we don't want 8 o'clock past too far, and it's about 8:05 now. So yeah, that's what's up. So I'm walking back down there just to figure out the parking, and then we get back to them. I see them have roadside parking here, but you have to pay for the parking. So let's see. Okay guys, so I made it to the sugar factory, and I'm going through the menu just to see what they got. Guys, we made it to the sugar factory, so it's a lot of noise, so you know, most of it's gonna be voiceover. Alright guys, so we are about to leave downtown now. This is downtown Atlanta. Yeah. And we're going in the parking. What is someone face? Review. What can you face? Is that open or showing a picture, you know? Okay, I can make up. Review on the sugar factory. It's we'll walk over there. 3 out of 10 or 5. I depend how much I tell you that I rate the place.
5.
But it's a 3. Yeah, it's one of those places that are probably overrated. It's more like overrated. Yeah, more like overrated. You know, when people see certain things and it's like, oh, yeah, it's really not. Even the drink, there's this popping drink that it gives off the dry ice vibe. $52 for the drink. Most people are like, don't drink it off. $52. Exactly. But $52? No, sir. Yeah, with the dry ice. And a lot of persons really don't drink it off, it seems. So, yeah. Tonight is my last full night here in ATL. So, I go back home tomorrow. So, Auntie Pet was like, oh, we have our own pan road every night. Well, I get to rest tomorrow. Exactly. Alright, people. Good chat.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Alright guys, so I made it back home. We're home. I'm actually gonna pack up my suitcase now, get the clothes from the laundry and pack up, because I did wash my stuff today. I did laundry today. So we're back home, and today is my last full day. So this is gonna be my last night in Atlanta, and it was a vibe. We actually picked me up on the road every night. Yeah, but I'm actually gonna just pack up and clean off my face and start up myself for the night. And yeah, I've been tell the sugar factory, it's one of them overrated place there. You see it on the internet, you want to go, when you go, it's like pom. Yeah, I don't know. Do you guys think I need to start wearing back lashes, or I don't know. I don't know. My makeup rub off and all these things from eating and everything. But yeah. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Yeah, I don't know the vlog will end tomorrow because, as I said, tomorrow is the last day. So yeah, and tomorrow we'll have an earlier flight. We'll have an earlier flight tomorrow. When I was coming here, it was a night flight. It's more like daytime for tomorrow. So I believe in daytime and arrive in daytime. And the time went forward now. The time changed, so we are now 1 hour ahead. I don't see it makes sense. You know, like when you never live here and you get time changing, you're like, oh, the time changed ahead. But being here and the time change is just like, it don't make no sense. Like, it don't make no sense. It really don't make no sense. Like, honestly. For the time change, it don't make no sense. It just kind of just mess up everything. But yeah, but whatever them I do, whatever them say them do, whatever them sense them say make, I don't know, but to me it don't make no sense. So that's that, and we'll talk tomorrow. Okay, yeah, guys, time is over. The time was at. I had fun, trust me, I had fun, but it's time to go catch by the plane to North Carolina and go warm. Let's see what summer looks like for ATL. We're not sure yet. There's so many other places to go. I know the black song pump come from. There's so many other places to go, so we see how it goes for summer. But a time was had. I have fun. I go out, I'm have fun. I go. Auntie was like, look here, Tash have me on the road every night. My voice I come back, you know, too crusty like it was before. But I did have fun, and I mean, school is slowly approaching, and who is not happy about that? Me not happy about that at all. I'm not happy about that any at all, but our time was hard. That's where I go. Summer soon come, I can't wait. That's the next big holiday. So we have Easter little break, and then we'll have summer. Not true. I'm so happy that my school closes in May. So, you know, yeah. So guys, wait on my aunt. She said 2 o'clock. About 2:02 now. She's not reached here, but she's coming. I don't want to last again. I come into ATL through ATL airport, Atlanta airport. It's pretty hard not to crack. It's very hard to deal with. Like, I got lost on my way in, and I don't want to get lost on my way out. So the part that I got lost where my aunt I could locate my aunt, which was an easy part. But no, I don't want to get lost in the event of trying to find my gate. So I don't want my flight to miss me. So I don't know where that go. Gotta get home to go finish up, tidy up for the apartment and everything. So we'll chat. Alright guys, so I'm at the airport and I'm about to board the flight. I didn't know that I purchased a board first option thing. Like, I don't know. It's like a priority boarding. I didn't know I purchased that. Can be able to waste my money for that. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm made to my seat. I'm just, this is not gonna be a full flight, so yeah.